Just because your name on social media is badass, it doesn't mean you don't have feelings. Respecting other people and respecting their feelings, it shows that you also respect yourself. Trixie lost her brother, and people on social media are just being mean about it. Guys, let me tell you something. There are some things in this world that are invisible, but one thing for sure is that we are all going there. Sooner or later, someone will lose their family members. People will lose their mothers, their fathers, their brothers. Losing a brother is one, or a sister, a sibling is one of the most painful things that I know and have experienced, because it feels like you're losing a team member. Whenever you're cooking, you're reminded of how they were treating you, their seat at home, where they were sitting, their plates, their favorite spoon, how they will eat sugar, how will they tease you. Those things, they never happen again. But then when you have the nerve to go on social media and say that oh fine, what do you think you are? Are you an immortal piece in this world? Or the pearls, when even those pearls, they decompose, they do what not. But I don't know, guys. Sometimes we gotta be human beings before we become internet trolls. You have siblings yourself. How would you feel if you lose a sibling and you just log on to social media? You'll find people talking like that. And people who don't even know you. Guys, no matter how much we try to think that we know Trixie, we know these housemates, we don't know who they are really in a private space. We know them from the screen. We have what we call parallel relationship with them. People are very sensitive, and this is a very sensitive matter to be joking about. I'm so sad that I could like see condolences, fan base aside, what aside, friendship aside, condolences to Trixie. I hope at this time you. This is what I thought I would be saying. But the first comment when someone that posted that Trixie has lost his brother, the first comment that I've seen, someone said, it's fine. She wanted to kill who's the girl? Tandeka anyways. I'm like, but Tandeka is still alive. What are you talking about? Kuri, at some point we have to understand where we stop being fans and start being human beings. Maybe fans, they don't have emotions. Maybe fans, they don't have feelings. Maybe fans are non-living organism. Hence, they don't have blood in their stream. They don't have brains in their skull. It's empty in their skull. But anyway, I'd like to say to Trixie and the family that do find comfort in these difficult times. My condolences to you, Trixie. I know she's not gonna see this one, but if it happens that she sees it, condolences. I'm so sad for you, because I know I've lost a brother and I know how it feels to lose a sibling. It's hard. You guys, you're triggering me. It's hard. Very, very hard. You feel like, I don't know, I've never lost a parents. Both of my parents are still living, but losing a sibling, there's some part of you that dies. And let me tell you something. The day I lost my brother, there's something in me that has left and it has never came back. Over 12 years later, it has never came back. And I think I was only, hey, you will know my age if I say this because you just attend to that. But I was only 15 by that time. Wow. I feel bad. I really do. Condolences to Trixie. And yeah, goodbye, guys. I hope you just share message of comfort. You share a message that will heal, not a message that will trigger, open a wound, add salt to the wound, because at the end of the day, we are human beings. Goodbye.